Good morning, class. I hope you have done the exercise 2.1, question number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, today I am going to tell you the international place value system once again. I hope you will be understand after that completely. Okay, so today your work is also only to understand the international place value chart. As I told you earlier that in international place value chart the places are ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. There is a variation from the Indian place value system. Okay, in the Indian place value system you have 1,000, 10,000 and lakh, but here in the international place value system you have 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. There are only three periods that you can learn in your this class: ones, thousands and millions. Okay, so in international place value system every period has three place values. As you see, ones is a ones, tens, 100. Under the period of thousands you have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, and 100 million you have million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, class. And we, as I told you earlier, that in any place value system you have to place the comma according to the periods only. Start with the right hand side. We'll start placing the commas after every 3 digit in the international place value system. Okay, in international place value system, start from the right, then you have to place comma after every 3 digits. That means after ones, tens, hundreds, place the comma, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, place the comma, then million, 10 million and 100 million, and no after that, because in this class you have learned only till million. After million there is a billion, starts in the international place value system, which you have learned in your next classes, I hope. Okay, so as you get it, so today don't let stress on and don't compare the Indian and international numeration system, because we are doing only the international place value system today. That means question number 5, 6 and 7. So ones, tens, 100. So now I come to the question number 5. Rewrite the numbers placing commas according to the international place value system. That means first of all you have to place the numbers according to the according to the international place value system. As I told you in the Indian place value system that you first write the place values over every digit so that it will be more easier to you. See, you can see it now: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so I place the comma. They just told you to rewrite the numbers to place the commas, but what you have to do, you have to also write the number name of the following given numbers, so that it will be more easier to you and you will be understandable very clearly that how you have to write the international place value system number name. Okay, so the digit is 591369281 is given to you as a question number 5 part A. So how you have to write? First write only these three. Just look these three numbers. This is 591. In international place value system, what you have to write, just write the 3-digit number name simply as you write in the international place value system, and write their periods after that. Look here now, 591 million, then 369 is written. Okay, 369,000 and 281. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just write the 3-digit number name and then write the period. Okay, and then again 3-digit number name, then period, and then last. Okay, similarly look here, the number is given to you is 62756,742. Okay, so the number name is 62, because there are only 2 places in the million period, so you have to write only that much: 62,756,742. You can look over there. Okay, so what you have to do, not just placing the comma, you also have to write the number name for the complete question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is to write the number in the figures of international place value system. That means the number is given to you, the number name is given to you. It is 1 million, comma 156,454. Okay, so here is the answer. You can compare it like this. Okay, 1 million only, so 156,000, that means 156, so 454. Okay, now I think it is more clear to you. Next is 30,250,647. 30,250,647. Likewise, you have to do the complete question. Number 5, 6 and 7 is also given to you. Write the following in a words in the international place value system. That means already commas are places for you. So the number name is 1,789,347. Okay class, so likewise what you have to do, you have to do question number 5, 6 and 7 in your copy, proper systematic way. I want each and every one with the proper systematic way. And in the next class we are going to do the next exercise 2.2. If we can complete it, then we are going to complete it, otherwise not. Okay class, okay, till then take care, bye.